Well, Governor Pritzker's proposed health insurance overhaul now one step closer to being law. The state's Senate Insurance Committee passed two bills Tuesday night, changing how health insurers operate in Illinois. One bill, called the Health Care Protection Act, would do several things. It would ban so-called step therapy. Now, that's a practice by insurance companies which requires a patient to try and fail with certain medications before covering medications actually recommended by doctors. Now, that bill and another one accompanying it both head to the Senate floor. You can stay with News 3 for updates.